Hi, in this session I'm going to be looking at solving equations with algebraic indices, exponents, or powers. It depends on what you're used to, the terminology. It says solve for all real values of x, 8 to the power of x plus 1 minus 8 to the power of x minus 1 equals 126. It's a non-calculator. This question could appear in the AS or A level. Okay. And I've written some laws of indices that I'm going to refer to. So if you'd like to pause and have a go, please do. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do, there are two ways of doing this question that I know of. I decided to do it one way. You might be interested in finding the other way. Okay, this one says 8 to the x plus 1. And this rule here says if you're adding the powers, you must have been multiplying two terms together. So this 8 to the x plus 1 must have been 8 to the x times 8 to the 1. And this one here must have been 8 to the x times 8 to the minus 1. So let's write something down. That will be 8 to the x times 8 to the 1. I'm not bothering with the 1. Minus 8 to the x times 8 to the minus 1 equals 126. And this rule here, any a to the minus n is 1 over a to the n, means that here is 1 over 8 to the 1. So on the next line, this will be 8 to the x times 8 minus 8 to the x times 1 over 8. That's the same thing as putting the 8 underneath there. And that is equal to 126. And you can see, hopefully, there's a common factor of 8 to the x. So I'm going to take that out. 8 to the x into 8 minus 1 over 8 equals 126. Now 8 minus 1 over 8 is the same as 64 over 8 minus 1 over 8, which is 63 over 8. So this becomes 8 to the x times 63 over 8 equals 126. Now to find 8 to the power of x, we need to multiply this side by 8 over 63 and this side by 8 over 63. That 8 will cancel, and so will that one, to leave you just ones there, which is a 1. Or if you prefer, first multiply by 8 and then divide by 63, whatever you prefer. But you'll end up with 126 times 8 over 63. And hopefully you will notice that 126 is twice 63. So let's put something there, 2 there, and a 1 here. So what's left? 8 to the power of x equals 2 times 8, which is 16. Now, to be able to find x, we really need to make that base the same. So the obvious one is the power base 2. 2 cubed is 8 to the power of x equals 2 to the power of 4, which is 16. We continue here, 2 to the power of 3x equals 2 to the 4. And what I've done there is, in fact, to use this law of indices here. If you raise a power to a power, you're multiplying the powers. So we're multiplying those two powers to get the 3x. Now the base is the same. It means this power here equals that power. So we can now write that 3x equals 4. So x equals, divide by 3, both sides by 3, and you get 4 over 3. You don't have to simplify that. Don't use decimals. Don't write 1.3 recurring. Just write 4 over 3, that's fine. I hope you found that useful, or interesting, I should say, and accessible. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can get notification of any future videos that I post, and there are going to be quite a few. Okay, on to the next one. Take care.